Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram profile picture not changing. To know how to fix Instagram profile picture not changing, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. When you will see this page, you will go down to force stop, and when you will enter, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Here, clear cache, and when you will click clear cache, you can click also clear data here, as you see. Clear data like this. Here, click clear cache and then clear data, so that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.